Inventory bookkeeping. So I've seen a number of inventory booking systems which are legacy that were developed 10 years ago and were just forgotten, but still are used in myriad of institutions. So I came up with a better version of it, whereas I could keep both technology or furniture, which you can see up here. This is all in Latvian language. So for example, whenever I need technology, I would click just on tech. It will load that many units that you see in the right corner. And since I can't reveal um, the technology that I have on my floor plans, I have pre-populated with dummy information for room 22, which I now click, and you can see, for example, that this room has portable computer, it's this unit, it's this inventory number, and for example in notes it has the configuration. For example, it has also Microsoft Office, which is coming together with the inventory number of the notebook. It has speakers, printer, projector, and Wi-Fi access point. So not only that, so you can click on any room and get a pop-up. It's also movable, resizable. You can have multiple instances of those. You can also, for example, do a quick search and it will show, like for example, if number is beginning with 981, it would highlight the floor first, then the room, and then it will also pre-populate and filter all the unnecessary rooms or units. And you can search, by the way, by both inventory number or tag name or room or what have you. And for example, here I have extra information that, for example, the cleaning of the computer, the physical opening was done on 29th of March. So probably I might need to clean it or something, like open and remove the dust, like blow the dust. So for example, regarding the furniture, I'll just click it now. It will preload since it's a different database, which in my case I used Google Sheets, encoded via PHP and deployed via web app. So same story, it preloads the floors, and I have created dummy information for room 22 that, for example, has a teacher table, and the name is this, and the inventory number is this. So it has a whiteboard and even a painting and student table, and this is the number in student chairs and so on. And again, I could write like the inventory number, and it will just populate the data if I need a certain unit. Or for example, if I write Pegasus, it will show me that this unit is specifically here. The systems we're now using sometimes are slow because searching is slow, and it kind of gives you for example, some systems just throw out that the unit is at school, but you don't know the specific room, and you literally have to just print the papers and walk through classrooms, like all 3.5 floors. The basement floor is kind of only has 3 rooms, so you have to kind of walk all the rooms to figure where the stuff is. Compare the stickers. While here you could have assistants entering the data into Google Sheets, and just for example, when there's audit, an auditor comes and says, well, I need this number. I could just easily filter this one out and it will tell me the specific room. So I wish these systems became better. They would integrate the floor maps, which can be done in SVG, which is scalable vector graphics, and then it's all down to HTML, CSS, JavaScript, some jumping around, and you're done.